Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your site is in Google Search Console and sitemaps are current. Once done, collect the exact target URLs for the backlinks you want indexed and note their canonical versions. Next, open the URL inspection tool and paste the first URL. You should request indexing immediately for each priority page. This tells Google to recrawl that specific address. Make sure to include a concise reason in your notes so you can track progress and repeatable actions. Now you dive into the detailed steps. Inspect each target URL using Search Console's URL inspection. If the live test detects issues like noindex tags, canonical mismatches, or redirects, fix them on your CMS and rerun the test. Once the page is clean, use request indexing. Google may queue it, so pace requests, typically batches of 5 to 10 per day to stay within practical limits. Monitor the coverage and page experience, reports to ensure there are no underlying blockers that will prevent indexing. Finish by verifying that Google has indexed the backlink target pages. Recheck URL inspection and the coverage report after 24 to 72 hours. If a page remains unindexed, investigate common causes, low-quality backlinks disallowed by robots, TXT, crawl budget limits, or slow server responses and remedy them. Once fixed, update your sitemap or add stronger internal links, then re-request indexing. Key troubleshooting tip: if indexing stalls, improve on-page value and incoming link relevance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.